Hello and welcome back to the Google Search News. It's good to be back with you all. I hope life is treating you reasonably well wherever you are. Today, we're here to talk about updates from Google Search. So let's get moving. This time, we have news about structured data, ranking updates, other search updates, and more. First up, we have some news about structured data, or should we say olds? Because the news is we've stopped using some structured data to display a set of rich results. Stepping back, structured data is a kind of machine-readable code that you can add to your web pages, which search engines can use to better understand the content. We use it to enhance how we show search results. We call that rich results. To provide a cleaner and more consistent search experience, we've changed how some structured data types are shown. In particular, how-to structured data is no longer being used, and FAQ structured data is only shown for well-known, authoritative government and health sites. We added an annotation in Search Console of Reports to alert folks about this change. It's not necessary to remove the structured data if you currently have it on your pages. It just won't have any effect. When I talk about technical SEO updates like this, my recommendation is to prepare for structured data changes in general. Use a CMS hosting platform or a plugin that makes it easy for you to add and remove structured data. New types will be introduced. Some types may go away over time, so being able to easily change the structured data will save you time. And now, over to some search ranking updates. We recently rolled out both a core ranking update as well as an update to our helpful content system. Several times a year, we make significant broad changes to our search algorithms and systems, which we refer to as core updates. We have a page in our documentation about them for more information and things to consider. The other update was to the helpful content system. This system aims to help people find original, helpful content created for people in the search results. We also added information for websites hosting unrelated third-party content. The helpful content system uses site-wide signals, so if there are parts which are largely independent of the main site's purpose or produced without close involvement, it may make sense to block such content from indexing. We realize ranking updates can be challenging, so we've compiled a lot of information about our thinking behind ranking systems in our search developers documentation. If you're seeing changes and you're unsure what to do next, I'd recommend dropping by our Search Central help community. The experts there have seen a lot of sites over the years and can often give you ideas. If you want to stay in the loop with these kinds of updates, check out the Search Status Dashboard. It has an RSS feed that you can subscribe to. I'll add links to the description. Stepping back from ranking changes, we've also made updates to other parts of the search results. In particular, site names are shown for all languages. Site names are automatically determined by our systems and your structured data markup. We added tips about what you can do if your preferred name isn't selected. Additionally, we improved our handling of multilingual searches. In particular, we worked on our language matching of queries from users to better show content in the most appropriate language based on their language settings, location, and our understanding of the query's language. And now, over to some amazing news from the world outside of Google. First up, we have Ibera Jonathan, who wrote a great summary around duplicate content and canonicalization. There are neat tips on how to understand the effects of canonicalization, common errors to avoid, and answers to questions. It's an awesome article. The link is in the description. It's definitely worth bookmarking twice. Next up is one about using AI as a writing sidekick, written by Tasman Lofthouse. The article has a practical look at how you can use AI as a tool, starting with brainstorming all the way to improving headlines in your existing content. AI is not a magical solution that will put you out of work, but perhaps it'll save you some time and improve the quality of your content. And now, some shorter updates. I recently came back from an SEO conference in the UK. It was fantastic to see and chat with so many folks there. Wave if you were there. It's always motivating to see friends of SEO in person. Outside of the UK, the team has also met you in places like Tokyo and Jakarta, in India, Germany, Seattle, and even Austin, Texas. We're hoping to see even more of you in Mexico City, as well as at Brighton SEO in San Diego, California. Be sure to say hi if you see us. Shifting back to this channel, we've continued making videos for you. Some try to answer questions in office hours in English and Japanese. Others are about Core Web Vitals, the URL inspection tool, and let's not forget, the right to be forgotten. Check them all out. Last, but perhaps most importantly, for fans of spreadsheets, that includes me, Google Search now indexes CSV files. I know, this is very, very cool. Well, at least if you're a big spreadsheet fan like me. I already found a cool list of cheese types in a CSV file. Okay, fine. If you don't like CSV files, that's okay. Anyway, that's it for this episode. Thank you for tuning in to the Google Search News. I hope this video was useful, and please add feedback and comments here. We read them all. If you subscribe to this channel, we'll make sure to let you know when another episode is ready. Bye.